Hello, everybody. I'm going to share with you how to write a Python script and how to run it. Okay, so remember when you install Python, the Python IDLE is also installed, and its IDLE is integrated development environment. So if you want to find it, you just click on this search button, a search window, and you type in Python, and you should see it. It should be here. Okay, IDLE. So you double click to open, and you can also drag it to the taskbar. Oh, not drag, right click. You can right click and paint it there, right? Paint it to the taskbar. So this is the Python, okay? Python shell. This is the Python shell. So you know how to do this. You know how to use this. It's a command line thing, okay, environment. So if you want to use the IDLE, you will click on File and click New File. And this is the IDLE. And you can see it doesn't have the prompt. It allows you to write multiple instructions, multiple statements here, and so that you can run it together. Okay, here you cannot. You write one instruction, and as soon as you press enter, it executes, right? And here you can write multiple lines. So I'm going to just paste what I thought I just now. Okay, I will just write it, right? Let's do print. We want to print out. I'm doing it this evening, so I will do good evening, you all. And let's use the text as y'all. My daughter likes to use this a lot. So, okay. Texas slang, but it's pretty popular, right? So that's that. And I will say name is equal to input. That's the function. And you always have this parenthesis after input. And within it, you will have the double quotes. Okay. What is your name, right? Okay. And that will give you the name. This is a function. We discussed this already, so I won't need to explain it. And then you want the age. So the age, we do input, and how old are you? Okay. And well, age is, remember this one will give you a string, right? By default, it gives you a string. So for age, it should be a number. It should be an int. So we convert it to an int. We use the int function. And this input, how old are you, will be the argument. So now if you say, I'm done, you press enter, see what happens. Okay, when you press enter, it doesn't go to this it's not left aligned. It stops here. What this means is there is an error. Okay, the system assumes that you are not done. So if you look at this, what's wrong, right? If you look at this, what's wrong? What's wrong is that you have two parentheses, and here you are ending with only one. So that's why it doesn't go down. Now it goes to the left side. Okay, so when that happens, just know that that means something is not right. Okay. If it should be there, it should. If it should not be there, it should go to the left. You know you didn't finish your statement, your instruction. Okay, now we can print it out. Print, and notice that here, I'm doing all this and it doesn't run, right? And here, if you do those instructions, it will immediately wait for you to write your age or name. So here we can do name, and that's a variable. So we separate it with a comma is, and we need the age variable and years old. So this is some simple instructions, and this is the name. So whatever your name is however old you are, years old, right? So now You click File and you save it, save as. Okay. You don't have to save it to Python. I will just save it on the desktop. I already have a hello. Let's just save it as hello. And here you don't have to change. This is the correct file type. So save. Okay. I will just replace it. So now that's saved, right? And you can run it here. Run module. Okay. And it's right here. What is your name? We say Bill Sanders. Okay. And how old are you? 23. And Bill Sanders is 23 years old, right? So this is how you run this. This is one way to run. Another way to run is you can just go to your desktop, find hello, okay, right there, or you can go to here, I will go to my desktop and find hello. Okay, and I will double click to run it. And here you are, right? So you will enter Bill Sanders. And then you enter how old are you? You will say 34 and it's gone. It displays what you entered, but it's gone. While here, it doesn't, right? Just now we saw the other one. We run it and it doesn't go away because it's still in this environment. But here you are running it really as a script. And so it goes away. Okay, once again, let's see, right? It goes away. So how do you modify, how do you rectify that situation? What you can do is one way, a simple way, is to simply let it stop and wait for you to input. So I can do stop is equal to, we will just do an input statement because remember when you do an input statement, what does the system do? It waits for your input, right? You can just do this. Okay, I will save. Let me do this save, does it? Oh, Control S does work, but when I copy, it didn't work. Okay, so now I will run it. And okay, so you see it's here, right? It's asking you to enter something. So that will stop it from going away. Another way is I will just do goodbye, right? I can do that, save, and come here and run it. Double click. Okay, Bill, 23. And it says Bill is 23 years old and goodbye. And of course, you can really enter things, but that doesn't. And then, okay, or you don't even have to enter. You just press enter and it goes away. So it gives you a chance to look at what you have done and you can press enter and then it goes away. So that's how you do this. Okay, another thing I want to show you is sometimes it may not it may it may not run because you don't have to save your script anywhere in the Python folder only. You can save it anywhere on your computer, and the path environment variable should have it. So when you install Python, make sure you clicked on this, checked on this. Okay, so that way the path will be automatically added to your Windows path, and you can run your script anywhere. Okay, that is it, everybody. I'm going to stop here.